Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold, also known as XAUUSD, from 6th till 7th September. This analysis would, at the end of the video, you would be able to analyze the technical perspective and what we are seeing in the market for the gold in the coming day. So here what we can currently see that in my weekly forecast I did tell to go long some around 1924, and here we have spot and support zone some around 1917 some around 1940, and this was our support trend line. Here we have given a long signal, and this was the resistance which we were expecting for the market to rebound if the market hold this support trend line. Now let me remove my drawings. And if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing, as I upload daily and the weekly forecast based on technical and fundamental perspective. Now coming on the daily forecast is that we aren't seeing any significant fundamentals moving the market. Thus, the trade which would be triggered today would be purely based on the fundamentals, would be purely based on the technical perspective. First, let us draw our resistance. That would be in a range of some around 1959 till some around 1964. This would be our support some around 1915 till some around 1922. Let me draw our support trend line. That would be some around here. Now, and we are currently on a 4-hourly chart for the gold. Now here what we can see, let me zoom in, is that I have drawn in my resistance trend line going in the past some around 24 August, 13, 14th August. We did see that the market did retested this particular resistance zone. Now coming on 2 and 31st July, we did see that the market did taken support from this resistance zone. Now what we can see is that this particular zone from some around 1964 till some around 1959 has acted as both as resistance and support. Thus when the market retested this area, we can see some retracement. That would be our final take profit for going long. Now where we have done our support is some around 26, 25, 21 and 12 and 11th August. We did see that the market did take in support from this support trend line, and we have more than 4 to 5 touches towards this support zone, particular the support zone some around 1920 till some around 1950, giving us a signal that the both resistance and support are in strong. Now what a trader should do is that here we have drawn the support trend line. Now what we can highlight is that we can see a bearish pennant being formed, which is a continuation of bearish momentum. However, I am expecting a breakout upwards from this bearish pennant. This would be the resistance of the bearish pennant. This would be the particular resistance, and this would be the particular support of this bearish pennant. Now zooming in. Now what a trader should do is that we would be looking for both long and short opportunities for the market. Now first, talking on the bearish perspective, is that if we see that the market did close below 1914 till some around 1910, that would be an ideal place to go short for the market for the gold, with a retest towards the supply zone or the support zone, and then we can take our short position. The take profit for the short would be some around, thus if we see that the market did close some around 11 till some around 19.8 on an 4 hourly or a 1 day chart, then only and only we would be shifting our sentiment from being bearish to bullish, and we would be triggering a short position on a retest towards this support, turning into a resistance if and if only market did hold this particular zone. So our stop loss would be just placed some around 1930. Our entry trigger point would be on a retest towards some around 1917, with our first take profit would be placed some around 1899. This trade will give an risk to reward of approx 1:1.5. Now coming on the bullish scenario, when we should be bullish, it would be if we did see that the market did closed above some around 1935. If market did close some around above 1935 to some around 1940, that would be an excellent opportunity to go long for the market for the gold on a retest towards the resistance, turning to its support some around 1930, and then we can place our take profits accordingly. The trade would be some around like here. Our entry trigger point would be somewhere around 1930, with our stop loss just placed below the recent major support zone, which is somewhere around 1914, with our first take profit would be placed somewhere around 1949. This trade will give an risk reward of approx 1:1.6, and our swing trade would be placed some around, swing long trade would be placed some around 1960. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing, and if you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.